Hello there my crafty souls, welcome back again to my little crochet corner. Thank you so much for joining me again to our crochet day today. And today we are going to make a spider king. Okay, so this is what we're gonna make today. So this is what I make for the sample before I share to you the tutorial. I think I love it. It looks cute but scary in the same time, I would say. And today I'm not gonna make in the black color for the sake of you can see it clearly on the screen. I will make with a bright color. We are going to use this bright orange color, but I will combine it with the black for the feet. So we're gonna use black for the feet and bright orange color for the body, head, and the other part here. And for this design is optional, and this one also optional. You can use it or not, it's up to you, but I think I love it. To me, it's make it look more magical and look like a real king. Okay, so let's start what we have to do. And we need a plastic yarn or polyester yarn. We're not gonna need that much. One skein will be more than enough. And then we're gonna work with 5mm crochet hook. And you're gonna need 14mm safety eyes and another 2 of small sizes of eyes, because we're gonna need to put some extra 2 eyes over here. Okay, and then we're gonna need scissors, safety pins, and darning needle, and of course the fiber fill. Alright, let's start by making the head and body of the Spider King. Alright, my round 5 to 9 is done. This is how it's look like. Now we are going to continue and we will start decreasing. Okay, round 16 and 17 is done. Now we are going to continue to the next round, and I decided I want to change the color to black color. I want to combine them. It's up to you if you want to also change color or not. You can go with the same color like my first Spider King. I only use one color for all body and hat. I think now I want to combine the orange color with the black for the back of the body. Okay, so I will cut this yarn. First I will change the color. Like that, and make my first single crochet and secure the yarn, and then I will cut the orange color and continue crocheting the next round with black color. Okay, now we are continue to round 18 until 17, 18 until 20. We gonna continue make 40 single crochet all around. I already make one and I will continue another 39. I'll see you when my 3 round is done. Okay, before we continue to the next round, which is round 25, I'm going back with the orange because I'm running out of the black. So don't worry about it. Just do whatever you like. You don't have to follow my color. You can continue with whatever you want. I'm running out of black, so yeah, I will continue back with the orange color. Okay? Okay, let's now we continue to round 25. Okay, so for the top of on the body, this pattern, you can, it's optional, you may make it or not, it's up to you, but in this one I will not make. But if you want, you can pause the video and draw the graphic line here.